Vere Phoenix, second time for the season. It was not an easy game today, but 3 points is what matters. It's been a while since you've been able to get the job done this way. Tell us how you feel about the boys' performance and getting 3 points heading into the international break.
Oh, very good for getting 3 points. Yeah, we kind of make a heavy weight of it, miss a lot of easy chances. But the truth is, this was a week of upsets, so you know what that means. You're a little bit cagey because you just don't want to make that mistake and become that third casualty of one of the top teams.
And a number of teams above you, the top 2 teams, they lost, which means that winning here today means that you close ground on those teams. And it's a good time to get this kind of result because you now have maybe 2 weeks to get everybody back to full fitness and for the end of the second round.
Oh, definitely a really good time. We have a few additions that we should have in also. Plus, we hope that Atkins will be back and Ronaldo Barrett will come back from vacation. So it's a good time to get a break. It's a really tough schedule for all the teams, but us even more so because we're coming from 2 packed schedules back to back. So yeah, we are so happy when we got the 1 week break.
We are just about a month away from international football again. Everybody is hoping to see Cavalier bring Lionel Messi to Jamaica. How is the build-up to that going in terms of, sensitizing the public from a Cavalier perspective?
Oh yeah, tickets are already on sale, early bird tickets. So you need to go and get an early bird ticket because if the great one comes, then clearly you know that the price is going to rise if you confirm that he's coming. So right now, people, be an economist or Jamaicans and get an early bird ticket.
Just want to ask about John Mara Calvin and his impact towards Calvin this season. As I said, this is the first in what, 3 games?
No, first in 5.
Yeah, and as I say, he turned up again, he brought the ice already this season. The top scorer in the league. Just telling us his continued impact on this team.
Yeah, I mean, we picked him up about 3 years ago. What was important was the way he attacked. Originally, he was playing in Antigua and Barbuda. He's really a quality player that has just gotten better and better every year. And he's also a player that is doable, fast, always a threat. We're just glad we have him in the
How you feel seeing him in the national colours, and you say formerly Antigua and Barbuda now representing everyone. How you feel about that personally?
Yeah, I think he went there and they put him to play left back, and I think that was the reason why he probably wanted to switch allegiance. But we're happy to have him at Jamaica. He's actually a Jamaican, he was born in Jamaica, so he's no stranger to us, and he's probably at home.
Yeah, coach.
Back to your winning streak?
I was taking it one day at that time. Remember, I told you, if you think too much about the back, in the back you might get depressed. Too much in the future, you might get anxious. We're just living in the moment and just looking forward to the next time.
Yeah, coach.